In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create formulas in Google Sheets. So formulas are an easy way for you to calculate your budgets, your cost per unit, basically your numerical data. Every formula starts with an equal sign, and you have your mathematical operators, which is the plus sign for addition, the dash for subtraction, the asterisk for multiplication, the forward slash for division, and the caret for exponent. So let's say in our data right here that we're trying to get a total of these two. So we start our formula with an equal sign, and then we put in our cell reference. You can either type it in, or you can click on it. So that's B2. We're gonna add what's in B3, and once you're done, just press enter. And you have the total. So let's say you have to change something from here or here. Let's say it's supposed to be 5,000. And your total has been updated. Because again, if you look at the formula, there's the cell reference. So whatever changes you do here will update your total. Let's try that again in this data right here. So we're trying to get the line total. That's price per unit times the quantity. So let's try again. Always start with an equal sign. Point and click to your cell reference. Add your mathematical operator. And again, the other cell reference. Press enter. And you have your line total. Let's try that again. Equal sign. Cell reference. Your operator. And the other cell reference. And enter. And again, if you select and drag the right bottom, it will autofill the rest of your table. Now for this one, in order to get our 12% tax from the total, what we want to do is to add this 3 and then multiply it to the percentage tax. How do we do it? Again, let's start with the equal sign. Get a total from this 3, D7 plus D8 plus D9. Multiplied to 12%. Now, if you enter that, what happened is, this is multiplied to this one and then added to the rest, which is wrong, because what we want to do is to add these 3 first and then multiply it to the tax. So how do we do that? We just include a parenthesis between the 3 cells. So that's a parenthesis here and another one here. So it makes it inclusive that this cells are added first and then multiplied to the tax. So if you press enter, you have your percentage tax. And again, just to get a total, we're going to do the same thing. Equal sign, D7 plus D8 plus D9 plus D10. And enter, and you have your total. And that's how to create simple formulas in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.